Decoding the Site Planning of Emperor Ming Mang's Mausoleum Nguyen Dynasty, 1802 to 1945, Vietnam, Architectural Ideas and Feng Shui Principles. This paper presents initial findings on the study of the complex of Yu monuments by analyzing the site planning principles of Emperor Ming Mang's mausoleum. Constructed during the Nguyen Dynasty, 1802 to 1945, in Vietnam. The research is based on reliable historical documents from the Nguyen Dynasty, along with database sources provided by Waseda University and the Yu Monuments Conservation Center. It investigates the history of the mausoleum's construction and restoration, the planning principles applied, and the role of Feng Shui, geomantic concepts in its design. Throughout this study, key design ideas and site planning principles have been identified, including symmetry, the orderly progression of grid axis, and the systematic deployment of construction units. These findings offer an effective framework for understanding the distinctive architectural features and site planning of Emperor Ming Mang's mausoleum. Introduction. Thua Thien Hu province in central Vietnam is known for its tropical climate, heavy rainfall, and rich historical heritage. One of its most significant landmarks is the mausoleum of Emperor Ming Mang, the second ruler of the Nguyen Dynasty, who reigned from 1820 to 1841. The mausoleum is located about 12 kilometers southwest of Yu City, at the foot of Hiu Sun Mountain, in a scenic area shaped by both natural beauty and traditional Feng Shui principles. The site was carefully chosen for its ideal landscape features, including mountains, rivers, and a natural balance of symbolic elements such as the blue dragon, white tiger, and black turtle. These are believed in Vietnamese tradition to bring harmony, protection, and power. Covering over 23 hectares, the mausoleum includes 17 buildings, bridges, gates, ponds, and courtyards, all arranged in a symmetrical and harmonious layout. Construction began in 1840 under Emperor Ming Mang's rule, but after his death later that year, his successor, Emperor Thieu Trai, completed the project in 1843. The site is a masterpiece of Vietnamese architecture and landscape design, seamlessly blending spiritual meaning with ecological and artistic values. It stands today as one of the most impressive imperial mausoleums in Vietnam, reflecting the strength and ambition of the Nguyen Dynasty. Despite the passing of centuries, the mausoleum retains its original form and continues to be a symbol of cultural pride and historical significance for the region. Conclusions. This study confirms the historical accuracy of the construction and restoration of Emperor Ming Mang's mausoleum through reliable records and data sources. It highlights how traditional planning and Feng Shui principles played a key role in the site's design. On a large scale, the location reflects classic Feng Shui ideals, using natural elements like mountains and rivers to create harmony and balance. On a smaller scale, the layout follows traditional Vietnamese architectural practices, such as aligning buildings along a central axis and dividing spaces based on their functions. The design also carefully integrates the architecture with the surrounding landscape, creating a balanced and aesthetically pleasing environment. The study also verifies the use of symmetrical arrangements and equal spacing in the site's design, revealing a clear and thoughtful planning method. Overall, the research provides new insights into the cultural and architectural significance of this historic site. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.